iGourmand.
Eat, drink, man and woman, where the gourmandise is not a sin.
If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luc Paquin, 1973. Luc Paquin, Section 4. My philosophy. I started as a gourmet, and over the years my love for the pleasures of good food and good drinks became bigger than my love of the rituals, rules, and the complications normally associated with the gourmet world. For the last 20 years I converted myself from a gourmet to a gourmand, and I have been crusading worldwide to demystify and simplify the pleasures associated with good food and good drinks. My goal is to teach and help everyone who has an interest in good food and good drinks to appreciate this sensual subject. We have to remember that the pleasures of the table are the only ones that are essential for our survival as an individual. That is probably why that some consider them a sin. Services offered to the general public. Introductory to advanced cooking classes and conferences. Introductory to advanced wine/spirits/beer classes and conferences. Introductory to advanced food and wine/spirits/beer matching classes. Wine/spirits/beer tastings. Food and wine/spirits/beer events for singles. Romantic food and wine/spirits/beer events for couples. Seminars on food/wine/spirits/beer/cigars/luxury items/etc. Topics. Event planning and catering. Home kitchen design services. Wine cellar design services. Wine collection evaluation services. Wine investment consulting services. Motivational classes. Services offered to the food and drink industry. Sourcing services. Fine wines from a variety of countries. Fine spirits from a variety of countries. Fine beers from a variety of countries. Non-perishable luxury/exotic food items. Cooking utensils and appliances. Fine tableware and crystal. Perishable luxury/exotic food items. Fine cigars. Other luxury items. IT services. Wine/beer/food/cigar/etc. Education kiosks. Client reward programs. Branded cooking and other software. Food/wine matching engine. Cutting-edge web portal. Cutting-edge POS and management software. Multilingual food and wine blog. Consulting. Food and beverage business planning. Business plan analysis. Restaurant analysis and consulting. Menu analysis and preparation. Wine list analysis and preparation. Professional classes, cooking, food prep, sanitation, wine, spirits, beer, sommelier, etc. Staff motivation seminars. Event planning and catering. Restaurant design. Franchising. Software and IT consulting. Software POS and management solutions. Vineyard weather monitoring. Vineyard automation and machine learning grapevines. Wine and viticulture consulting. Commercial kitchen design services. Wine cellar design services. Wine collection and cellar evaluation services. Wine investment consulting services. Staff and restaurant certification programs. iGourmand. Curriculum vitae, Luc Paquin. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.